Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Great having you here. I just wanted to do a quick one today because basically I'm really excited because I just got this in the mail, and basically this is a book that I've been looking forward to for quite a while. It is Growth Levers. This is basically Growth Levers. It is an incredible book, full title being Growth Levers and How to Find Them. It is a book by Matt Lerner. He's a former PayPal growth, was also at 500 startups, helped many startup companies over in the Valley to basically grow and scale their efforts. And this book has a really sort of high expectations for me and a lot to promise. It's going to focus particularly on growth and practical insights that leverage growth and help successful businesses, actionable advice, and I'm really looking forward to dive into it and share my thoughts with all of you guys. So what are some of the things to expect here? Basically, the core promise of this book is that techniques for spotting key factors that can ultimately significantly impact growth across businesses and particularly startups. It actually shows real case studies and sort of walk through these case studies, how, what, why, with real examples for businesses and illustrating the growth and successful sort of common denominators. I actually couldn't help myself and started skimming through it. And one of the nice things that it's actually a hardcover book or soft cover, it doesn't matter. It's a physical book instead of being a Kindle whatever, that you can actually just take a marker and just mark stuff. So already, first page, second page, started to get key serious takeaways of this book. And what's great is that he actually shared data. He actually shares, this is the challenge. We needed to raise conversion rate from 30 to 40 over at PayPal. And we're basically hitting a wall. We're stuck. We tried all of the common growth loops, common growth hacks and tricks, and it didn't work. And what basically happened here is that he dived deeper into the data, dived deeper into the usage patterns of their product, and actually talked to their customers. He went on a call center. Back then you needed a call center. They would have tools like Gong that you can basically listen in or just talk to people over Zoom. And he went and talked to that customer and understood that the problem was entirely kind of different problem. They basically had a long tail problem with 90% of their revenues and value were generated by fewer than 10% of their customers. And they sort of directed their growth effort and figure out who these 10% are and how to find them and basically target them. So that's like an entirely different approach to what they were trying before. But that is an example of actually delivering value in this book. Like, they actually shared the numbers. We conducted XYZ, and that experiment generated over 40% revenue more than that of the control group, as an example. So this is gold. This is really golden lessons for growth marketeers. So I look forward to reading it, sharing with you some great insights, and hopefully I will see you soon. By the way, if you guys have read it, if anybody think it's great, it's not so good, anything practical, that's worth noting about it. Please share your thoughts in the comments. Let me know if you like my channel. If you like these videos, please like, share, and subscribe. So we'll see each other soon.